Look at this. There are 6,128 members in my trading group, and we're killing it. Got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. Bitcoin daily chart. So Bitcoin got rejected by the 21 simple. Also some overhead resistance. The concern is the price action didn't break out of this falling wedge on the RSI. I mean, you really want to see, for good confirmation, you really want to see this break to the upside and confirm. Otherwise, you have to think about some type of double top on the RSI. So again, you've got this possible breakout. I just don't have very much volume. I need volume confirmation, kind of a weak move. Will the bulls get this bounce here we talked about yesterday? This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin broke out of this falling channel, right, which happened back here, and then it just rolled over back in the channel. So bullish trap, bull trap. Now, potentially the bulls have to show up here. I mean, you do have a potential bullish stochastic cross as long as the price action continues higher. The price action is being squeezed by the 200 simple moving average. So, I mean, it would be bullish sign to see the bulls break above that level. If we zoom in to the 1-hour chart, you can see, and I was waiting on this most of the day, the bulls need a support or trend line bounce here and then upside continuation for this price to hit, you know, $37,000, $38,000, $40,000 levels. It's all about to happen right here, right? This is it. Like the monthly candle close is coming. Daily, important daily candle close as well. This is a Bitcoin 15-minute chart. So sometimes I'll zoom into lower term time frames to find an edge, trying to nail a move, right? And you see this falling wedge broke to the upside, but then got rejected at this overhead resistance. So will you get a bounce here in some type of inverse head and shoulders, or, you know, the price action breaks back into the pattern? You're looking at like 33,000, 32,000, 31,000 support levels, level by level, right? So, I mean, Bitcoin bulls need to show up right here. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, epic. This person joined the group, and I had to put him in a headlock to get him to watch these videos. And he turned, if you do the math on this, I mean, he 40,000% gains, 400x'd his money since June of last year. I think he made it up to about $500,000 when Bitcoin was at its highs. So he turned $500. This graphic shows he turned $500 into $218,000. Huge. This person, he said, a friend of mine recommended you. He quit his job now to trade full time because he's in your group. I want to sign up for the year. Or, hey, if your buddy joins a group and then quits his job, like, hey, that says a lot. Shout out to Gerald. He made 180% profit on Bitcoin. Huge. Obviously some leverage trading here. Listen, the bottom line is this is the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime. I will make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Look, here's Doc. They've got a mainnet proof of stake coming July the 7th, and the price action broke out 22% gains on this move. This is ARDR BTC, posted the 28th. In 2 days, 49% profits. Ethereum, I gave you guys the setup, up 13% versus Bitcoin. I think this is big. CoinMarketCap just added Uniswap for swaps. So you can go directly to CoinMarketCap and it will allow token swaps on the website. So users can now trade these tokens at ease without leaving CoinMarketCap. Robinhood got slapped with a penalty, $70 million for harming millions of customers, the largest penalty ever imposed by Wall Street's self-regulator. Dude, they froze trading. Like, all the freaking institutions were getting short squeezed, and they froze innocent retail from freaking destroying big corporate shorts. On Twitter, they're giving away 140 free NFTs. If you go over and retweet this message, these are not NFTs that ever be sold, and so they're, one of a kind type situation. So 140 NFTs being given away. And really, this is huge for crypto, if you think about it. I mean, Twitter giving away NFTs, there's so many use cases for NFTs going forward. Like, the potential there is going to be amazing. Just about adoption, period. Listen, you guys, I want to talk to you about these scams, and it's constant. Like, people, anytime somebody approaches you and says, I can help you with this, on Telegram, on social media, in the comments on YouTube, like, I'm never going to message you and say, send any money to me, or I'm going to trade for you, or there's this person got hit up by Bakkt, and they were doing some arbitrage stuff, and then now they've got $4,000 stuck, and they always want you to send more money so you can withdraw your money. And I'm like, do people actually fall for that? Yes, they do. This person, $4,000 gone. So don't fall for this stuff. Now, I'll show you another one on Trust Wallet you got to watch out for too. Bitcoin holdings by public companies. MicroStrategy, 105,000 Bitcoin. Tesla, 48,000. Galaxy Digital, 16,000. Almost 1% of all the Bitcoin is held by these 24 companies. And just imagine what happens to the price of Bitcoin over time as more and more companies start to add Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Like, I never saw this coming. 2017, like, this would be unheard of. This is crazy. This is the active Bitcoin account addresses, and it's hit a 2-year low. So, like clockwork, every Bitcoin run-up, retail FOMO's in. They buy the top and then get wrecked, and then they just quit crypto, right? And that's just the unfortunate side of this market is what you think you should do and what your emotions tell you to do is wrong 90% of the time, right? And so you really have to focus on not being greedy, not FOMOing in, fear of missing out on these coins and ideas. So happens every Bitcoin rally. This is a balance of Bitcoin being sent to exchanges. And you can see Bitcoin was taken off like in July of 2020. Bitcoin was taken off, and then you can see the amount of Bitcoin that people were leaving on exchanges. They're putting on hardware wallets, right? They didn't want to leave it on the exchanges. They were just withdrawing it, right? So as the price was increasing, then the price drops and people send Bitcoin to the exchanges to take profits. This has been, during this possible reaccumulation, this has been decreasing slightly. So again, basically alluding to the fact that there's not as many people trying to sell at this level or preparing to sell at this level. Forbes comes out and announces that the NCR opens Bitcoin purchases to 650 banks and credit unions. This is huge. 24 million customers are going to be able to buy Bitcoin from their banks. You guys, listen, I know the Bitcoin freaking pulled back 50% and the market's not as exciting as it normally is. But, dude, you always have these periods of sideways price action after crazy run-ups, right? Even if Bitcoin drops lower. Like, dude, the writing's on the wall here. 4 years from now, when we're all ridiculously rich because we stuck through this. So institutional exposure to cryptocurrencies via derivatives has continued to grow in the second quarter. So CME's newly launched Bitcoin micro contracts have had a ton of trading the first 2 months of existence. So they surpassed 1 million contracts traded. You have to remember, institutions are trading a ton of Bitcoin, but the problem is these futures contracts, there's no Bitcoin. It's not Bitcoin backed, right? It's paper trading. So it doesn't really help the price of Bitcoin. Ethereum 2.0 approaches 6 million staked Ethereum. Huge milestone. They have now surpassed 10x more staked Ethereum than was required at launch just 6 months ago. And this, again, this helps the price of Ethereum stay strong. Staking creates a bunch of holders that will help level out the price. Today, the House Committee is reviewing cryptocurrency risks, regulations in a hearing, so hope that goes well. Theta Network successfully launched Mainnet 3.0. T-Fuel staking was enabled. So again, just like Ethereum staking, hopefully this is good for T-Fuel's price going forward. There's now 400 million T-Fuel being staked. So this is another scam that's happening, trust wallet scams. Someone hits you up and they give you a link to a fake trust wallet scam. Right, so don't fall for this stuff. They're trying to trick us. They're trying to take our money. Always remember that. This is huge. Soros Fund Management, the family investment firm managed by billionaire George Soros, has been given the green light to trade Bitcoin. Boom. Let's go. He says Bitcoin dominance. And if there's one thing in this market you have to understand, I talked to you guys about this when it broke this trend line. Like we saw, Ethereum, especially the altcoins, had a huge uptick in price action. I mean, just look. I mean, this is almost the inverse of what's happening on Ethereum BTC, right? You had this huge run up by Ethereum BTC as Bitcoin dominance broke lower. Ethereum's market cap makes up a lot of the altcoin market cap, the total altcoin market cap, which is the inverse of Bitcoin dominance. And so right now, this basically shows Bitcoin dominance is at 45%. That means the total crypto market, if you take every single coin, add it together, value of Bitcoin makes up is 45%. So there's more money in altcoins than Bitcoin right now. Ethereum BTC, like we said, like this is a good gauge to understand the strength of altcoins. And this has been pretty epic pump, bull flag, and then broke through the overhead resistance. This is the total cryptocurrency market cap. And we talked about this exact same idea, how the price actions at resistance and potentially Bitcoin would be behind this pullback. And we saw that Bitcoin pullback, and now this is at support. And so you need a support bounce for upside continuation to gain another $9 trillion in market cap. And again, this looks very similar to Bitcoin's price action. Just so you guys understand how this idea works, so Justin Sun's coins, like they pump together. Like there's quite a few of them, but TRX is one of them. So whenever you start to see big moves out of Tron or JST, like this is actually broken out, JST BTC, Sun BTC, this is actually on Huobi, but the Sun USDT paired altcoin is on Binance. Right. This is BTT BitTorrent token. So just one of those things, like retail gravitates to these ideas. If you see the Justin Sun coins pumping, they all pump together. Right? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.